Hello guys, so this is the Oraimo 10,000 mAh power bank. It has been a power bank I've wanted to buy since when I've watched Sayef's video about it. So it's a very powerful power bank.
The Oraimo Ultra Slim Compact 10,000 mAh power bank just costs 4,600 naira or $10. Inside the box is the power bank itself, and underneath it is the welcome guide and the charging kit. I listed this power bank in my previous gift guide video for 10 items under $99 or 45,000 naira. It's one of the power banks I've used for quite a while now. I really like the texture, it helps for capability.
So I tried to know more about the power bank and I heard on to Oraimo official website. The power bank was sold at a rate of 5,200. That's a very discounted price on the website because I get mine in store for 6,000 naira. So I checked all the features about the power bank and then realized the power bank is a very powerful power bank, and it can charge two phones together at the same time. So I head on to the internet for more research about the power bank, and then all the comments and the rating I was seeing about the power bank was great. Let's try to open it. So after opening the power bank, you are going to see the power bank. So then the power and all the volts will be written under the power bank. And this is two charging space, as you can see. It's written boldly on it, right? So you are going to see user's guide on how to use the power bank. And that's not important for now, so I'm going to drop it. So you are going to see a small cable in case if you want to charge from the power bank, and then in case you want to charge the power bank, you are going to see a small cable in it for the charging. So let's try to use the power bank, but it's not advisable for you to use the power bank when not charged. You have to charge it for at least 2 hours before start using it. But I'm going to fix it and then just try to plug my phone in for you guys to see. So as you can see, power bank is charging and then it's working perfectly. So this is the casing. In this transparent space, you are going to see the color of the power bank. So it comes with two colors, either the white version or the black version. So I bought the black version. And then it's up to the channel to be empowering. And then this power bank, charge your phone from 0 to 40%. That's the number. So you can do that with 65%. So this is all about the power bank. And then there's also the bigger version of this power bank, which is sold at the rate of 7,000 naira. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.